What can advertising really achieve for a business? Welcome, friends. In this module, we will explore what advertising does for a business and create opportunities for it to excel. So, let's begin. Advertising is the face of your business and products. It is a way to communicate with your audience and stay connected with them. Let's begin and see what it does for your business. Advertising produces leads for the business to follow up. It convinces your audience to visit the business and welcome the company into their home or business. It helps to establish your brand name. It enables you to get your message through. Every business wants to establish their brands as upmarket or inexpensive and cheerful, quality or value for money, etc. Combine regular promotions with special campaigns, providing synergy to the advertising activities. Too many businesses still seem to advertise as an emergency. That is, sales are down, we better try and advertise. Or through a constant changing of their focus, style, etc. Consistency of message and impression will be successful in the long run. Follow on from a PR story. The Daily Mail carried a story of a dog who, when he went with his owner to the local supermarket, used to go to the dog food aisle, pick up a tin of his favorite dog food and sneak it home without paying for it. Now, the company that produced captured the story for their advertisement and added a slogan underneath, "Top Stealers Recommended." Your advertisers should look for any kind of publicity they can tie it with. You should be very particular about your advertising content as it is the best and powerful medium to stay connected with your customers. So, make the most of it. Educate your audience with the brand and product details with benefits. Identify the frequently asked questions and try to solve them in your advertising content. Next, understand and expand geographic or demographic. For many products and services, people move into a marketplace. For example, they reach an age where they consider items they would not have been interested in before, when they own their first home, get married, etc. Many advertisers forget that they have to keep providing information for newcomers into the marketplace, including those who are geographical migrants, into your circulation area. The advertiser gets bored with the information and assumes that everyone who needs to know it does, and they will never forget this knowledge. Face-to-face presentation is at the utmost importance when it comes to promoting your brand, products, and services because you're not able to tell the entire story in a print and digital advertising. A company who is well known and has a favorable image is more likely to find their sales executives receiving a favorable welcome than the companies that are unknown or ill-regarded. Moreover, keep trying new things. Keep on experimenting with your products. What makes your advertising effective and confident is the emphasis on benefits, USP, facts, results, testimonies, surveys, etc. A brand ambassador can also add value to your advertising and persuade people to buy your product. Influence the people who influence a decision maker. Many purchases are not simply made by one person. In a personal situation, other members of the family and close friends may well have an input. At work, colleagues often contribute to the final judgment. Present the company name to prospects who have never heard of it. Too many companies assume that the whole world must know of them. This happens because many customers may remember, but the non-customers may not. Show how the company is unique in its marketplace. If this does not happen, the business is often simply advertising their products for any company that happens to sell them, especially if that other business appears to offer better prices or a higher standard of service. Allow a test of an idea or campaign. A company must be thinking of branching out into new products or services or into the new area. Advertising can help them to test this market and to establish them in it for the future. Prepare people for the company's other marketing activities. Press advertisements can direct the readers to upcoming TV or cinema advertisements, direct mail, public events, store openings, etc. Help take businesses from competitors, whether openly or overtly. Some companies produce advertisements openly, comparing their prices to those of key competitors. Others simply use the information gained from the competitors to then show how better they are. It can be useful to discover which of their competitors your advertiser particularly wants to beat and then work at ways of achieving this. Dispel an ugly rumor or counter unfavorable publicity. Sometimes a story gets out about a business or specific product they offer, and the truth needs to be told. Of course, if the rumor is true, then the advertising might even be used to admit this and then to say what is being done to correct the situation. Use customer testimony to improve brand and product perception. Other ways of gaining information is to use a visitor's or guest book or to survey customers. It is vital that the information used is genuine and showable to the curious. You can start your advertising communication with a problem statement and create a desire in prospects' mind, making them want the offer. Most people buy through wants rather than needs. Help to gain distribution of products. Advertising can be a useful tool for companies who want to build demand for the new product or services they are introducing. Advertising provides a platform to demonstrate companies' confidence in its products or services. Advertising offers guarantees or refunds to provide conviction or assurance. Other ways of achieving this can be the use of benefits and facts, testimonials, success stories, etc. Also, it is useful to check the wording of the advertisements to make sure confidence is not only being undermined by the use of indefinite language, for example, using words such as perhaps, might, could, possibly, etc. Establish a unique place within the community. This can be possible by highlighting the sponsorship of local events of campaigns. Also, using a sense of the history of long-established businesses or local personalities. The businesses aim to be more than just another shop on Main Street. Explain what the company stands for. This is appropriate for companies where it is important to their business success to let the readers know what they will or will not stand for or do. You can also impose a positive image of the company brand or product by telling the story of the company, but only if it is both interesting and relevant to the readership and likely customers. People do like receiving such information, but one thing to make sure is that the ad is still a selling ad, not simply an is neither interesting nor appealing kind of exercise. Also, you need to avoid appearing either arrogant or self-important. Most importantly, ensure that the company's investors are happy, except that this is a peripheral benefit to most companies. But if you invest in a business, you do like to see it being promoted and receiving or offering positive publicity. Therefore, this can be added to the range of valid benefits to be gained from publishing new premises, departments, improvements, success stories, etc. Or simply to be seen to advertise regularly in a place where a large number of investors can see the messages. Every business should like to be seen as a market leader, so assert company's leadership in the community. What is being said in your advertising content about the company asserts or suggests the company position in the market. How can you make a positive benefit out of such points? That is, a long-established company is seen more likely to be around to sort out problems than a brand new, unknown one. Place the company in public's unconscious mind. This encourages habit purchases. In other words, you realize you need to buy a certain product or service, and without consciously realizing it, you end up buying it from a business who are stuck in your head as suppliers of this item. Equally, such a position means that you automatically recommend them to others. Assert company's prestige in the market. Create a prestige in the market that will make others advertise you. Here, social media and word of mouth enter the frame. Lastly, keep hammering your audience with your advertisement. Keep repeating it. Many companies advertise infrequently and do not gain the key benefit of repeated dripping messages. This is especially true of those businesses that only advertise when they have a sale or cut price offers. Readers then assume them to be this kind of cheap businesses. Also, many purchases are instant. Potential customers consider their decision over a period of weeks or even months for a big ticket item. Therefore, an infrequent series of messages can lose their attention whilst a regular competitor gains the business. With this, we have seen how advertising can enhance your business image and change your sales into magical numbers.